Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways how to easily add emojis in your Google Docs, right? So the first way how to do it is by using the option within Google Docs. So all you have to do is just click on insert and you will have the option that says emoji. So you can click on that and you have all different kind of emojis that you can choose from. As you can see, you have different tabs here that you can go through and you can find whatever emoji that you want. You can also use the search. So let's say I'm looking for something happy. I can type that in and I can easily go ahead and hit enter and it will find something happy that I can choose from. So you have a bunch of them here. So I can select something that is happy. Another way is by using the Windows feature on Windows. So press the Windows key plus dot or Windows plus period and it's going to open up the emoji here. This is an option within the Windows that you can easily go ahead and use. You can do the same. You can search for happy or whatever you want. Go ahead and hit enter. It's going to find them, and by the time you actually start to type it will start to find the happy ones, right? So you can choose something that you want, choose whatever you want from here, and you can add them. So once you press on them, it starts to add and you will see how easy that is. Now guys, these are the two really nice ones, right? They also have gifts as well that you can add. So quite a lot of stuff here. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.